So another video of wrecked and rebuild. As you can see in here, it's all a mess, a good mess. Okay, you can see that the 26 is right here, but you wonder why it's not outside. You're gonna put it outside, but the chain, I shortened the chain to get a more aggressive look, and we gotta do some more. We gotta rechange the chain link. But that's not why I'm here. Why I'm here is because Chormy is gonna get his center removed. I've been waiting for this a long time. I know you guys haven't seen any videos about it, but it's gonna be removed by me because I got a angle grinder. I'm gonna cut out it and then put in the new one where I seem to, oh, it's over there, and once you put on that, then we can put the fittings, but I'm gonna use the same fittings for now and the sprocket. So have a great day and subscribe to the channel, like, and just I hope you enjoy it because it's a nice channel to be on. On Chormy, we're gonna remove the seat and then we shall be on our way. As you can see, Chormy is really light. So let's just remove the seat. So all you have to do is just pull this latch. Once you pull the latch, then the seat can be removed. And there you go. Seat removed. So now we're just gonna put him out there and take out the 26. See, we have no problem now. Okay, I've been waiting for this a long time. Now it's come out. So now let's just put in this new short crank and see how it looks. We're just gonna use the same fittings and the same sprocket. Man, oh man, am I glad. Okay, so I'm back again. Got this. I tightened this up already, but you can see there's no space. There's no space, so it should be out like this wide. So let's just see if I can just use the old bearings for now. Because I'm gonna get the fittings today. Okay, you can see there's no bearings or balls in there, so it's just put this on there. This will give you like a space, although it's not leveled. Then put this in. Then you start screwing. What's funny about this is that this screws anti-clockwise when it should be screwing clockwise. It's just weird how it screws on. And the other sprocket, it wouldn't come off. This nut wouldn't go on easy or come off easy. So safe to say that this is good, man. Of course you're gonna have a little wiggle because there's no bearings. But from what I'm seeing, it's okay, man. And what I'm gonna get now is some brand new petals, and then we can start begin to wrap this thing. You can see that this knot is like, don't want to go on there. It's like jammed. Maybe this knot took a beating, man. Or we just leave that knot. You just don't pull on that knot for now. Now it's supposed to be screwed in. It's screwing out. This thing is just hard. And there we go. Look at this shine, man. Look at this shine. It's so big. It is legit. It's legit beautiful. Look at that. But you know we're not using that sprocket for now. We're just gonna use this sprocket for now. But it's gonna change to a big 52. It's gonna look awesome. As you were trying to see that I was trying to take off this flap right here. That little flap right there. But too much flames were hitting me, so I had to like call it a day. But it's stunningly beautiful, man. So tomorrow you'll see me putting the new fittings and then the sprocket. So that's much for this video. So subscribe, like, share, and comment. As you can see, that's the new wrap. So we started, and that's gonna be all in this video, man.